Think you can solve this simple equation? Give it a go. Put your answer in the comments, then finish this video and see if you got it right. You might start off here by saying 5 minus 5 is 0. Got 5 minus 5 over here, that's 0. That's simple. 0 times 0 is 0. But if that's what you got, you are incorrect. Let's try this again. The reason most people can't solve this simple equation is because they don't know the order of operations or they forgot it. But PEMDAS tells us that we first start with parentheses, then we do exponents, then we do multiplication and division, and then we do adding and subtracting. So when we see this, we don't have parentheses, we don't have exponents, but we do have multiplication right here in the middle. That has to be our first part of the equation. So negative 5 times 5, which is going to give us a negative 25. Then we'll bring the rest of this problem down. Now we have no more multiplication or division, and we just have subtraction, the very last piece. We start here with 5 minus 25, which is going to give us a negative 20. We'll bring down the rest of this equation. And then we finish by doing negative 20 minus 5, which is going to give us negative 25. So the answer to our equation today is negative 25. Hey, check those links below. I have a math kit down there that you can purchase, deliver it straight to your house, and you can solve these problems right along with me.